What do you see? It looks
Okay.
identical.
Exactly.
Now, just look here quickly. Now, I want to move this robot. I'm just going to move this robot quickly to here. Okay? Like that.
Alright.
You see, it's exactly the same.
Exactly, that's set up there.
Okay, now I want to move the robot. This, they call it the enabling device.
Lightning device, okay.
If you press this, you can move the robot.
Oh,
So-
like a chalking
Yeah.
system, okay.
Now I press it. There's my enable. I press it.
Okay.
Okay, but first I must put the robot in manual mode.
Okay. Oh yeah. That's a chalking mode, yeah.
No, okay, now I put enable. And see now what happens. I move this robot. I can move the robot. I can do everything. Just like a real robot.
Yes. Yeah.
I can program the robot. Yes. If you go to the programming mode,
Okay.
you go to home, you go to job, you go in there, and now I say where the robot is now, I'm
Okay.
going to say I want that position. Now I say move J,
Okay.
and I say add. That is my new position where this robot is now.
Okay.
Now I move the robot to a new position. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, there. Now I say, okay, I want this new position.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, go. I say move J. Say add. Now I go to a new position. I'm turning my joystick to go down. Okay? Now I say, I want that position. I say move J.
Okay.
Say add. And now I'm going to run between those three positions. Look now.
Yes, okay.
Maar hier is 4 op.
Nah.
Dit gaan nie werk. Okay. En dan het ons ook hierdie. Is dit baie goed, maar waar skroef ek dit in? Okay. Dan
Okay?
Okay.
And now I press play.
dan het ons
So you
hierdie.
can play with those three positions. Oh, the simulation is the best simulation I've ever seen.
This is exactly
Yes,
what
yes.
you will get in.
Yeah. Oh.
Exactly.
Oh.
So what you do here is what
It's
you
gonna
do
happen
here.
then.
Wil jy
Wow.
ek weet nie.
Yeah.